Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in. This gives you consistent results and access to creator tools. Once signed in, open the exact YouTube video that has the song. Make sure the player is on the song timestamp you care about, because comments or descriptions can change. Now look at the browser address bar. The video ID follows V equals or appears as the last segment in short links. Copy that ID. You will use it in the next steps to query metadata and APIs. Open Developer Tools and go to the Network tab, then reload the video page so requests populate. Filter by XHR or search for Get Video Info or requests that include the video ID you copied. Once you find the right request, inspect the response payload for title, author, and potential music attributes. Also check manifests or adaptive streams for audio codecs and tags. These fields explain what the file contains and help you pinpoint official song metadata versus user-entered descriptions. With metadata in hand, use the video ID to make a final verification call, either with the YouTube Data API or a trusted metadata lookup. This fetch confirms title, channel, and upload details so you can be sure the song ID matches official records. If data seems inconsistent, clear your browser cache and repeat the developer tool's capture, or test on another device to rule out local caching. Troubleshooting tip: mismatches often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.